I think there's a celebrity behind me. We're at L'Artusi in the West Village. This restaurant specializes in Italian food and it's one of the best in the city. It rivals those of Misi, Residora, Don Angie, and many others. I love this restaurant, so let's go inside. As you can see, it's 9 p.m. and it's super crowded in here. This is a really popular restaurant. You definitely need a reservation to dine here. It isn't super difficult to get a reservation, but you do need to plan in advance to eat here, unless somebody drops out or you have a notification on Resi. They drop their reservations every 2 weeks, so make sure that you check Resi if you want to eat here. What would you like to say to your fans?
Oh my God, there's no fans. Hello, people.
Our reservation's late, so they gave us some free champagne, so that's really nice and great service. Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure Simon is behind me from The Big Bang Theory. I feel bad, but my friend's trying to get a picture with them. Will she do it? Who knows? I'm so sorry.
Huh?
I'm so sorry.
I know, I want to get a picture with
We don't want to disrupt them. We're still waiting, but they gave us another glass of wine. It's very busy today. Trying to see what to order right now, and there's a lot on here that we want. So
wants to order everything.
Hi, we have a question. That first sparkling wine you got us, what was that?
Just a prosecco.
We do the bottle. Bottle. Okay, God damn it. We are going ham. We got 2 promotions. This guy got a job, and this guy got a job. Can we do all of those? Fluke, Wagyu, burrata, and mushrooms, please. Ooh, the top is good. Didn't expect it to be cold though. We got mushrooms. Oh, I was not expecting that. They're kind of citrusy. Behind you. I like that one.
You like it?
Carpaccio.
So good. I love
It's the burrata.
Burrata.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
Oh my God, so good.
I love burrata.
Me too.
Favorite appetizer?
The fluke. Mushroom. Burrata.
Burrata.
The fluke.
This guy's pharmacist turned software engineer. Give us some words of wisdom.
F pharmacy.
This guy's pharmacist turned pharmacist. Give me some words of wisdom.
Oh, pharmacy's ass. Don't go there. Don't go that route.
So we all hate our jobs, except for her. She loves her job. That's 1 out of 6. That's a terrible percentage.
When I go to work, it's like going to hang out with my friends.
He also comped this. They're so nice. All right, everything looks bomb.
Yeah.
Look at these potatoes. Oh my God. Dude, those potatoes are good. Oh, thank you.
Spaghetti.
Oh shit. Damn, everything's good. A medium rare steak.
You want some extra sauce on this spaghetti?
Food is good. Here are the Brussels. Oh, Don't love that. They're very lemony. Ooh. This is good.
That's the regular.
So good.
Get it.
Tagliatelle. I want more potatoes. Compliments of the chef, ragu. Oh, even this is good. Favorite dish was the bucatini, but really almost everything is good. The Brussels are a little too acidic for us, but nothing is bad. And they're all very, 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 very good. We slammed. It probably hasn't even been 5 minutes.
Happy tomato.
It's probably been like 5 to 10 minutes and all the food is gone. Congrats, y'all. There was
Have a fun life down there. I'm not worried.
Would you come back?
Yes. Yeah.
Just finished our meal at L'Artusi and we had such a great time and a really great meal. We got comped so many things, all our apps, 2 glasses of wine each and a dessert. The service was amazing and they were really accommodating for having us wait a little bit longer, but the food was so good. The pasta was amazing and we'll definitely be back. So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'm posting every day this month. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.